Let's figure out how much you save if you get 20% off something that costs $24. So not only how much do you save, but what's your final price? Here's how you do it. So you have 20%. We want to change that to a decimal. So we're going to divide 20 by 100. 20 divided by 100 gives us 0.2. So we have 0.2, that's our decimal, and we multiply that by the original number, which is 24. 0.2 times 24 gives us 4.8. So what we're going to save is $4.80, $4.80. That's how much you get off when you take that 20% off $24. If you want to know the final price, you take the original, that's the 24, minus the $4.80. That gives you $19.20. So that's your final price. That's what you'll pay out of pocket, and you will have saved $4.80 when you get 20% off of $24. Not bad. It's Dr. B, and thanks for watching.